I send a lot to a lot of our shut-ins at church and people from church who I haven't seen in a while. I'll send thinking of you and stuff. And I remember there's this one older woman, she's a shut-in, and I sent her a card and she left a message on my machine and I never let it, erased it. She was just so appreciative. She's like, nobody ever sends me a card and you made it yourself and I'm gonna treasure it forever. And I listen to it every once in a while and it reminds me how important it is to touch people. With a simple piece of paper, it can, make a big difference.